Who is that person that wants to break my door? Go back to where you are coming from because I'm not never going to open this door. Go back to where you are coming from. Darling, come on, open this door. I have told you before that if you want to stay outside late, you will sleep outside. Today you must sleep outside. You must sleep outside. What do you mean? I say open the door now or I will throw myself into the swimming pool and commit suicide. Open this door. If I die, it's on your head. Oh. If I die, it's on your head. I am now throwing myself into the swimming pool. If I die and commit suicide, it's on your head. Darling, I went outside to stop you from throwing yourself into the swimming pool. Please open the door for me. Open the door now. I'm going to scream at the top of my voice. Yes, scream at the top of your voice. Then you will tell our neighbors where you are coming from with just pant and bra this night.